Welcome, this is me Waqar Ismail, and today I'm going to tell you how to generate random question papers with the help of Excel sheets, and how to connect Excel sheets with Google Forms, and how to generate random questions and repository of questions or a bank of questions, etc. Okay, first of all, open your Google. In Google, you are already logged with your profile, and the next of your profile there is an option of Google Apps. Just go there and select this sheets. In that case, you are going to creating a new sheet. I had already created, so I no need to create a new one. I just created with the name of question bank. You can rename with as you want. Okay, here you can see that I just generated some question, a series of questions with a serial number 1 to 26, and the questions are what is A, what is B, what is C, with the answers. Okay, these are some text questions, a short text or a long text, any type of question you can do. Even you can generate your multiple choice questions as well. Okay, I just generated 26 questions. Okay, for accessing these questions randomly, first of all I have to create a random number. So for this, just insert a column here with the name of random, and then generate random numbers with the help of rand function. You can see that I just generated random number for only one cell, and just paste for all cells so that random number could be generated for all cells. Okay, this is the center, so it could be easily readable. Okay, after generating random numbers, I have to generate some rankings for these serial numbers from 1 to 26, so that the question should select against these serial numbers only. So for this, just entitled a ranking and use rank keyword. This is a rank function. The rank function should work against these random numbers, and then modify this formula as I did this for entire B column. You can see there is a random number generated. Paste this for all cells, and you can see these are some random number generated against these random rankings are generated against these random numbers, but all numbers are only in the range of 1 to 26. Okay, now the work on this sheet is done. Create a new sheet by using this option. In this sheet, first of all, insert some serial numbers, that how many questions you want in your question paper. I want 5 questions out of these 26, so I just created 5 serial numbers, and here you are going to use a VLOOKUP formula. For this, the formula is VLOOKUP, and then first of all select the A1 column, because only 5 questions we are going to choose. That's why I selected this one, A1, and then go to our previous sheet and then select C and D, because question and then ranking must important to select. Okay, insert enter, C and D, then modify this formula. Okay, you can see here is a question. Just double click and here you can see some random questions are selected. Press Ctrl R for refresh. You can see every time the questions are refreshing itself. Here you can successful to generate random questions. The next step is how to create a Google form with the help of this Excel sheet. For this purpose, you have to insert or add or install a plugin, Google plugin with the name of Google Form Creator. For this, I will paste a link. This is a link. Form Creator, a plugin, you have to install it first. I had already installed it, so there is no need to install. Just go to your now Google Forms and add-on, and then Creator. here you have already created already installed this. First of all, you have to set up sheet with the name of form only. When okay, you can see this is a form creator form. This is the template behind that form, that how you insert your question inside this template so that these will be appear on your Google form. Okay, this is for simple text, for multiple choice questions, for list, for grid, for scale, and many others. I just set up a template for my this question. This is the template where create questions are selected, then question type is text, and the marks are 1, and the required section is checked, and here I will insert my questions. Okay, for insertion my question, just and then again add on and this create new form. Then you'll see a new form. You can create 20, 30, 50 question papers and you can send to your students by using their mails, and a student will open their own question papers, and there is no scenario of cheating. Okay guys, hope so you understand what I did. Thank you for watching.